Topics in Math 4.4 Part 2, Euler Circuits and Paths. Today looking at digraphs. Alright, so what digraphs are is they're edges that connect the vertices, but they have a direction. So you can maybe only go from A to B, but not B to A. So it's going to have an arrow on it, okay? The number of edges coming into a vertex is called the in degree, and the number of edges leaving a vertex is called the out degree. So let's try a couple examples to see whether these digraphs would be Euler circuits. So it says it has an Euler circuit if the in degree and the out degree are equal. Of every vertex, I should say. All right, is there an Euler circuit? So what you want to do for A is see how many edges are going into it. So right here, there's an arrow. There's an arrow. So there are 2 edges going in, and then 2 edges going out. Okay, so then look at B. B's got 2 going in and 2 going out. C has only 1 edge going in and 1 edge going out. Okay, and finally D has 1 edge going in and 1 edge going out. So we want to say, would this be an Euler circuit? So since the in degree and the out degree are the same for each vertex, we would say yes. Okay, it does have an Euler circuit because the in degree and the out degree was equal for each case. So say yes. Okay, now if you want to draw it and see how it would go, start at one of the vertices and then just kind of trace the path. So if we start at A, we could go A to B, B to, let's see, B to C, C to A to D, D to B, and then B to A. Okay, so that would be one way. And then notice we said it was a circuit, but we can also see that it's a circuit because if I would write down the letters of the order that I went, A, D, B, A, C, A, that first and last letter are the same. Okay? All right. Why don't you guys try the next 2? So go ahead and try these 2. Would the digraph be an Euler circuit or not? For example, 6 and 7. So go ahead and pause the video, try these, and then you can unpause it to check the answer. All right. For example, 6, all of the in degree and out degree numbers are exactly the same. So is this an Euler circuit? Yes. Okay. Again, you could start maybe for B, then go to C, then to A, then to B, then to D, then to C, and all the way back beginning. So you started at B and you ended at B. For example, 7, that one would not work. Okay, we saw that right away on vertex A because our in degree and our out degree were not the same. So if you wanted to try it, starting at any of the letters here, if we start at B, B to C, to G, to B, and then we don't have any more out degrees from B, so we can't go any further than that. So this one would be no. Okay. All right, so you can continue where you left off yesterday. Your assignment, page 195, number 8A, 9 through 11, 12A, B, 13, 14. And then on Wednesday, we'll check assignments and review for the quiz. Okay. All right. Let me know if you guys need anything. Talk to you later.